Oh yeah, there's the canal down there, you can see that. Good morning, 7:25 in the Florida Keys, Key Largo. We came down late Friday. We're here all day Saturday. Really didn't do anything Saturday, so I didn't make a video. Then we're leaving today, Sunday. Don't leave here till 1 o'clock. So I think I might take a walk right now, try to take some pictures or something. Look at the canal. I went to a great place for lunch and dinner yesterday. Didn't even drive anywhere. Miss Mac's restaurant. Good prices, good food, good atmosphere. I would definitely suggest that down here. In fact, we just walked to it from the hotel. There's a canal right next door to us here. And you can take scuba trips, snorkeling trips, glass bottom boat, fishing boats, all sorts of stuff. It's like a 3-minute walk from the road. I need some more coffee. I'll get some when we head downstairs. This laptop is probably 8 years old. It was discontinued when I bought it. It's a company computer. It sold for like $300 8 years ago. It's heavy. It's a clunker. It's a junker. That's why when I'm busy, my video production goes down. It's very difficult to do anything on this. Oh, coffee. You know, some of this hotel coffee is just not good. I normally stay in Marriott. Coffee's okay, but they give you 2 cups. I drink a minimum of 2 cups a day. So I carry extra little things of those Starbucks coffee, those little instant tubes. Pour them in. Great. And that's what works for me. But here's the thing. I'm 2.5 months behind. I make a video, make a video. No, I'm not making a video. I'm taking a video. Taking video. It takes me a lot longer to edit than it does to take video. So I'm sliding further and further behind because I actually work a job. I go do things other than the video stuff. So I decided how to bring it all back together was I would just stop making new video. Come through what I have right now, make video, and then restart taking video. So I started that yesterday. That didn't work well at all because I'm about to go out and make a video right now. I'm like fired up, inspired. Gotta go make a video. Gotta do it. Yeah, that didn't work too well today. Let's take a look at this place. There's Skipper's over there. That's where we had dinner the first night. That was good. Oh, there's Mike at the pool. Hi. Good morning. Okay, I think this is working pretty good. I forgot my little microphone, but I forget that most of the time anyway, so that's really not going to make a difference. I just need to learn to speak up. Be a little louder. Okay, we got this ramp we go down here. Yep, sun's up. Here's the canal with the docks. Glass bottom boat over there. All these places for fishing excursions. Let's go upstairs. I'm really not that good of a photographer. I just take lots of pictures. Lots of pictures. Okay, here's the African Queen. Little boiler there. That's kind of interesting. I saw a couple of people go out in it yesterday, take a little cruise down the canal. Glass bottom boat, I've never done that. Thought I'd give it a try one day. Yeah, look at that. And there's a cutout in the bottom inside that boat. Sailing ship. Take that out there. Go snorkeling, swimming. Take a bottle of rum. Lovely young lady. My wife. My daughter can come also. Kids and grandkids too. Yeah, you can see how the canal winds up through there. Actually, I ought to be able to see my hotel room at the hotel. Rosa of the Sea. There was somebody looking for the African Queen. Great place to enjoy your coffee in the morning. Really is, really is. It's hot, it's humid, but you get this breeze going, which really is nice. So the dive boats are getting ready to head out. Two of them there. There they go. How long do they stay out?
I don't know how long this charter will. Like, there was a dive boat that went out last night. They did a night. That's really awesome.
Looks like fun to me. I've never been diving, but I'd love to. I think it'd be a blast.
Is everyone ready to go deep?
There's another one. You guys have a good day. The snow is coming, I feel it. But not down here. That's a fossilized snowman up there, that's what that is. Here comes the ship. We're actually going out to a reef. And supposedly it's just got, there's some great reef diving around here. Great fishing also. Time for breakfast. These folks went out for a half-day fishing excursion. That looks like fun. Oh man, look at what they came in with there. They got fish. We're at the Key Largo Courtyard. Normally we go over to Homestead because this place is always sold out, but we're here in the off season, so they had plenty of rooms available and it was less expensive. So it worked out great. That's why we haven't been coming here before. I prefer to come down here. There's a lot more to do than there is at Homestead. I'm surprised. There's Mike down there working out. That's where I should be. Flight planning's done. Time for a little exercise now. It's a nice exercise room, but unfortunately, the monitor on the treadmill blocks the view. We've got to consider taking these things off. Well, I was clogged up when I came out of here. There, that's better. Well, the time's been pushed back, so we got a little bit of time. We might go get some lunch here before we got to the airport. Pushed back to 1:30 at the earliest. Man, it's the off season. There's nobody else on the ramp. It's just us. Time to get it ready. Time to get something to eat. The real reason I came here was not for the sandwich. The sandwiches are good, but I came for the coconut balls. They have fantastic coconut balls. Last time I was here, they were out, and I'm really hoping I won't be disappointed today. I'm in luck. There. Oh yeah, this is going to be so good. Let's just get a little. I'm going to take care of the car. Thanks. We got some thunderstorms developing about 40 to 50 miles to the north of here in southern Florida. After that, it's clear sailing. Almost ready to go. Power set. Airspeed's alive. 60 knot cross check. B1. BR. Here it goes. Selected. Your indicates up. Homestead, November 2, Quebec is just off runway 5, climbing through Cessna.
Maintain 2000, field in sight for 2 Quebec.
November 2 Quebec, cleared visual approach runway 26 right, and do not make any turn to the right, just the present heading or left.
Okay. Present heading or left, and we're cleared for the visual 26 right for 2 Quebec.
Don't turn to the right. The left's okay.
110 and 116 are your speeds.
Thank you.
November 86 Whiskey, fly heading 120.
120, break the
November 86 Whiskey, leaving Farmington for, I'm sorry, leaving 3000, pursue direct Farmington.
Direct Farmington out to 3 for 86.
Well, I should start seeing a runway here. I think I got the left one, yeah.
Yeah, I see the left one.
Flap approach.
Speed check selected.
Autopilot's off. LAV door.
Open that back door. That back door needs to be open.
November 86 Whiskey, traffic 11 o'clock in about 7 miles, turning southwest bounds at 737, climbing out of 4,400.
86 Whiskey looking. You got 3 green, no red.
I see
LAV
3
doors.
green.
It's out.
And flaps go, please. Any cruise to tower?
86 Whiskey traffic.
Thank you.
And November 2 Quebec, did you tell us to go to tower? Did we miss that?
Yep, tower 124.75.
475 to
I don't think he ever said that. I never heard.
And tower November 2 Quebec, so with you for the visual 26 right.
November 2 Quebec, Spirit Tower, runway 26 right, clear land.
6 right, clear to land, 2 Quebec. Yaw damper to go.
Yaw's away.
Flying checklist complete. Rough +5, you're looking good. It's rough.
Spirit Tower, good afternoon, flight 717 on the visual for 26 left. And flight 717, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, runway 26 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 26 left, flight 717.
Speed brakes.
They're extended.
Oh, looks good on that one. That's the speed brake there. It's all taken care of. Just waiting for it to get towed now. Time to head home.